How to change to satellite view on Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily switch to satellite view on Google Map on your Android device. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up Google Maps on your Android device. Make sure that you have updated the app to its latest version. And if you don't have it installed, you can just head over to Play Store and download it and then log into your account. Once the app is open, look for the layers button. You'll find it on the top right corner. So this right here above the compass is the layers button. You can just tap on it and here you will see the map types. The first one is default, then you'll find the satellite version and the terrain version. Make sure to select the satellite version like this and your map will be changed to the satellite view. Now you can clearly see the real life images of these buildings and places and landmarks. And if you'd like to see the street names and other menus, you can just find it on the same menu. So just tap on the layers button and here you will be able to see the map details like public transport, traffic. You can also see the street views, wildfires, cycling area, and if you want, you can also find the 3D version of the map. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.